जी कौन बोल रहा है? यहाँ आए हैं, हमको बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, आपको ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. रजनी इज अ फैमिली फ्रेंड एंड आई ऑलवेज विश हिम द बेस्ट. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट हिज डॉटर इज डायरेक्टिंग दिस and she is very proud of that.
And actually, Amit is blessing. I'm so happy actually. I don't know how to thank Amit ji. Accepting our invitation and this function.
He's always been like this, humble and very down to earth. That's the best quality. Thank you so much.
I think I'm just blessed hearing all the words that everybody had to say on stage today, and they're all such veterans that I've grown up looking at their films and knowing them personally. So I think every word each person said on stage means so much to me, and what Amitabh uncle said brought tears to my eyes, and he saw it from stage. I was sitting right there, and I think it's just an honor to be in this audience today, and I think it's an honor for me to have them watch my film and appreciate it the way they have. So extremely feeling blessed. Actually, there were so many things I wanted to say on stage, but then it's because you're talking in front of Talaivar and Mr. Bachchan, your words don't come out of your mouth. But films like this usually take time. It takes close to 5 to 6 years to make, because like you saw in the making, everything is created. Your hair to your costume, to the button in the costume, to the actions and the eyelashes and the expressions, the fingers, everything is created. So the process is long. That's why films like Avatar and Tintin take as long as they have. But I think God's been kind, and we've managed to pull this off in less than 2 years. And I would like to actually say at this moment that there is no delay. The process of a film takes long. And I think God's been kind that we've reached here so quick. Very soon, we will announce a release date very soon. We are finishing the film. The film's been cleared in censor as well, so the movie is ready. But I think with the current situation with the elections and everything, the production has to decide on that. No, I think for this film, marketing, promotion and awareness is extremely important, because this is not a live action film. Like I said on stage, this is a film that is photorealistic, and it's performance capture technology, which is completely new for India, and it is the first performance capture film in the country. And sometimes after I finish shoot, we finished shooting 2 years ago, and then a week later people came to me and said, can we see rushes? And I'm like, no, that is step one, because once we finish the shoot, that's only the motion capture that's been captured. From then is when the work starts for us. So I think awareness, I think even like Amitabh uncle again said about Avatar, that what James Cameron also did was he made sure the awareness of performance capture came out before the film actually released. It is a created film, but it is not cartoon. People have acted in it, but they are created. They're not flesh and blood on screen. So I think awareness of what kind of a film this is very important. Maybe it is a Rajinikanth film, yes, but I think what kind of a film it is, people need to know about. I can't hear her.
What do you have to say?
I think I'm blessed. I think I'm blessed to be born to my parents. I think I'm blessed to have the opportunity to direct Mr. Rajinikanth in my first film. And again, like Shekhar uncle said today, animation's been my dream for so many years. And 6 years ago, I did meet him, and when I did tell him this, he said, go ahead, dream on. And I think God's been kind, and today you have a film on screen. So yeah.
As again, your father said that you've been reading those.
That's true.
At what age did it come into your mind?
What my dad said was the absolute truth. Growing up, I never read a novel. I needed pictures. If it was only script, even these days, when I do scripts, even Kochadian script will have storyboards in it, because I need images to get my mind going. So I think from childhood it's a passion, and I think films like this take that extra passion to go on with it because of pressures. Why is the delay so much? Why is the process? Is this real? Why is the eye wrong in this shot? Why is the shoulder? There's so many questions that we have to face, and as creators we know the process we have to undergo to make a film like this. So I think it's just the passion in me that's from childhood that's made me sit here in front of you today. I hope audience will like the film, and I hope they will understand that this is an alternate film medium. This is not a live action film, this is not a cartoon, but it's performance capture. So I think curiosity should be there. I hope it's there, and I think we've managed to pack in as much as commercial elements in the film as we could. A.R. Rahman sir has done the music, and we have Saroj Khan and Rekha Chini Prakash. You know, we have such people doing the choreography for the songs, and we have Deepika Padukone as the heroine. So I think a lot of commercial aspects have been packaged into the project, apart from the fact that it is the first performance capture, motion capture film. I can't think of anybody else but my dad to do Kochariyan. You know, he looks like Lord Shiva to me. That's why I said it was a dream to see him do the Tandav, and it cannot be done in live action for various reasons. So nobody else can be Kochariyan. I understood the first part. I didn't understand the second part. My Hindi thoda bura hai ji, thoda malum, so I will just try and manage.
He turned very emotional, so during the filmmaking,
Oh, right.
you like to relate.
See, I think for any father and daughter, any how do I say this? There's a lot of emotions in this, right? Because he's seen me go through my struggles. He's seen me go through the pain making this film. And like he said, when he saw his colleagues, when he saw people he has worked with understand the process, I think that made my father happy. And I'm so proud and it's emotional for us. I think during the making, there were so many times in shooting where I could not call cut because I became a fan. And then there were so many times after pack-up time, I wanted to make sure my father went back safe because I became the daughter. And there were so many times I had to be the director to say, Appa, one more take, please, just one more. But then the daughter and the fan and me, you know, there were three different people in me when I was directing him, the fan, the daughter and the director. So I think it's emotional. When any parent works with a child, be it son or daughter, I think there's definitely emotions involved. I think there's an undercurrent of a lot of respect for every Rajnikant joke. I think it's not just something people come up with. It's because my father can do the impossible and only he can. So if people say if animation can be understood as not cartoon, only Mr. Rajnikant can do that. Because in India, still animation is, people think it's Tom and Jerry. Yes, animation is Tom and Jerry, but that's not only animation. Animation is a process. So I think if there's anybody in our country who can change the myth that animation is cartoon, that's the man.
I'm most excited about it. I think Rajni sir is the original superstar. I think he always will be the biggest superstar, and I don't think there's anybody bigger than him. So I am a huge fan, and I support him completely. I think he's awesome. You know, if the opportunity comes my way, definitely no two ways about it. But frankly, I've always looked up to him, so I don't know. I haven't really thought about working with him. मुझे लगता है कि जैसे मैंने पढ़ा है, बहुत बड़े बड़े पोस्टर्स लगे हुए हैं पूरे बॉम्बे में. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप वोट नहीं करेंगे तो आप ये चॉइस जो है किसी और के हाथ में रख देंगे, कोई और आपकी गवर्नमेंट इलेक्ट करेगा. तो आई थिंक इट मेक्स कॉमन सेंस कि अगर आपको बदलाव चाहिए या अगर आपको एक चॉइस चाहिए तो आपको ही वोट करना पड़ेगा.